Today, I'm going to be talking to you about double crochet decreases. So double crochet decrease is a very useful stitch that takes a taller double crochet and decreases from 2 stitches down to 1 stitch. So I have made 2 rows of what might be an amigurumi start, single crochet 6 in a magic circle, and then increase times 6. I've used the slip stitch, chain 1, join, and I've chained 2. People either chain 2 or chain 3 when beginning a row with double crochet stitches because that is how tall the double crochet post is. I've chained 2. Like I said, it's common to see chain 3. So to work a double crochet decrease, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to pull through 2 loops. That's as far as we go with this first stitch worth. Then we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over. We now have 5 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops. Now we have the start of a double crochet in both of these 2 stitches. We have 3 loops on the hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops. We're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's 2 double crochet decreases. You can see that already the shaping, they want to curl in because there is not enough expansion room for them to lay flat easily here. So I'm going to work 1 more double crochet decrease, yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, that's 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. That's 3 double crochet decreases. I hope that helps.